Hi gamers, today I have something special for all Android gaming fans. Do you know how many classic games like Modern Combat 4, Frontline Commando D-Day, and Border in M3 are no longer available on Google Play Store? Well, don't worry, in this video I will show you the top 5 safe websites where you can find and download these old Android games without viruses. This video is for educational purpose only. I don't provide direct APK link here on YouTube. All safe download links will be on my blog, so if you need them, check the video description or in comment. Before we jump into the list, let's talk about why safe sites matter. Many players search for old games and end up on fake websites full of ads, viruses, or even malware. That is why you should only download from trusted archives and APK providers. It is the only way you can keep your phone secure. 1. Mod YOLO.
Mod YOLO is a third-party Android website that focuses mainly on mod versions of popular apps and games. Many people visit it because it offers unlocked features, premium access, or unlimited resources that you normally don't get in the official Play Store version. The website is designed to be simple and direct. You just search for the app or game you want, open its page, and you'll see details like version info, screenshots, features of the mod, and the download button. Once you tap download, the APK file will be saved to your device and you can install it manually. One of the reasons users find Mod YOLO easy to use is the clean layout. There aren't too many steps or complicated ads blocking the process. Most pages also explain what the mod includes, so you know exactly what you're downloading before installation. However, since Mod YOLO provides modified apps, it's not an official app store. That means users should always be careful. Enable install from unknown sources, scan the file before opening, and download only what you trust. In short, Mod YOLO works as a quick and easy website for downloading mod APK. The process is straightforward. Search, click download, and install, making it simple even for beginners who want modded apps and games.
2. APK Award.
APK Award is a third-party Android game and app website where people can download APK and OBB files, especially for games that are not available on the Play Store. The site is designed to be very straightforward. You search for the game, open the page, and you'll see a direct download button. One of the main reasons people like APK Award is that it gives access to older versions, mod versions, or games that may have been removed from Google Play. The download process is usually easy. Just click the button, wait for the file, and install it manually on your phone. The interface is clean and simple, without too much distraction. Each game page normally includes screenshots, descriptions, and sometimes instructions on how to install APK plus OBB if required. However, since APK Award is not the official Google Play Store, it's always important for users to be careful, scan files if possible, and make sure they trust the source before installing. In short, APK Award works as a free, simple website for downloading Android games and apps with an easy process and wide collection, but users should still stay cautious as with any third-party source.
3. APK Vision.
APK Vision is a popular third-party website for downloading Android apps and games. It focuses a lot on modded and premium versions of apps that you usually can't get on the Play Store. The site is designed to be user-friendly. You just search or scroll for the game you want, open its page, and you'll find the download links right away. Each app or game page usually has a description, screenshots, version details, and sometimes extra installation instructions if the file comes with OBB data. The process is simple. Tap the download button, wait for the APK file, and install it manually on your phone. Many people like APK Vision because it provides different versions, including the latest updates and mod options, making it easy to pick what you need. The interface is clean and not overloaded with ads compared to some other APK sites, which makes downloading faster and more convenient. Of course, since it's not the official Google Play Store, users should always be careful. Enable installation from unknown sources, scan files when possible, and only download from trusted pages. In short, APK Vision works as a smooth, easy-to-use website for APKs and modded apps with quick downloads, clear instructions, and a wide collection of Android content.
4. APK Pure.
APK Pure is one of the biggest and most trusted third-party app stores for Android. It's especially useful when certain apps or games are not available in your country, removed from the Play Store, or if you need older versions. The way it works is simple. Visit the APK Pure website or use the APK Pure app, search for the game or app you want, and you'll see a clean download page. Each page usually has screenshots, version history, update note, and sometimes extra information about the app. Downloading is very easy. Just tap the download button, the APK file will be saved, and you can install it directly on your phone. If the app has OBB or additional files, APK Pure usually gives a step-by-step guide to make the process simple, even for beginners. One of the reasons people trust APK Pure is because it verifies many of its files with signatures, which helps reduce the risk of fake or harmful apps. Plus, the site is lighter and less crowded with ads compared to some other APK websites. In short, APK Pure is a safe, simple and reliable alternative to the Google Play Store. It lets you easily download apps, games, and updates with just a few clicks, making it very beginner-friendly and convenient.
5. Modding Ash.
On my side, what I'm doing with Modding Ash content is making it easier for everyone to understand. The original website sometimes shares mods or APKs in another language, which can be confusing. So what I do is translate the important part, like the game description, the features of the mod, and the installation steps, into a clear language that everyone can follow. This way, you don't have to guess or struggle with instruction. You'll know exactly what the mod is about, what features it unlocks, and how to install it properly on your phone. I also add extra notes whenever needed so that even beginners can set things up without any problem. The goal is simple: to save you time, remove the confusion, and make downloading and using these mods much more user-friendly. Instead of just dropping a download link, I make sure you also understand what you're installing and how it works. In short, I take content from Modding Ash, translate and explain it in simple language, and add clear instructions so you can enjoy the mods without the stress of language barriers or complicated steps.
Some of my personal favorite old Android games to download safely: Modern Combat 4, 0 Hour, Frontline Commando D-Day, Broda in AM3, and GTA San Andreas Classic APK. These are still around great today and bring back amazing memories. So that is my list on the top 5 safe websites to download old Android games. Remember, don't download from a random site. Always stay safe. And if you need the actual link, check out my blog in the description. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And tell me in the comment, what is your favorite classics Android game of all time? Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone. See you in the next one.